check your ringtone on Android, first navigate to your settings icon and tap on it. Then when this is selected, make sure to scroll up until you locate sounds. Then after selecting on sound, allow it a bit of moment to redirect you to an interface like this. Then on this interface, depending on your device, you could see ringtone here. If you haven't seen it, make sure to scroll up until you locate advanced and tap on it. Then proceed to scroll up again and you will see ringtones, and when you select on it, it will redirect you to an interface like this. In my case, I'm using a device with two different SIMs options, so depending on the SIM that I'm going to select, I'll be able to change the ringtone there. If it's a Telcel SIM, I'll be able to change the ringtone here, and if it's also the other network, which is Airtel Tigo, after tapping on it, I should be able to change the ringtone here. And that's it. You have successfully checked your ringtone on your Android phone. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.